department integrates production and supply resources to build the world-leading PCB one-stop service provider. We're committed to providing global customers with high-quality, fast delivery products and services. We have more than 20 branches in the United States, Japan, India, Italy, Turkey, Poland, and other countries, and 3 production bases in Shenzhen, Suzhou, and Jiangxi in China in CAM software design services. The main products include single and double-sided PCB, multi-layer PCB, metal substrates, HDI PCB, flexible PCB, and rigid flex PCB, special process PCB, semiconductor test interface PCBs, etc. The PCB we produce is widely used in industrial control, smart home, 5G communication, new energy vehicles, medical and other fields. The self-developed IPCB industrial software builds a bridge between PCB design and manufacturing, making faster design, more accurate audit, and standardized production. Over the past 25 years, we have established cooperative relationships with customers in 128 countries and regions around the world, and won high praise from customers. In King, we redefine the process and ensure the refinement, digitization, and visualization of the whole process with the self-developed IPCB software. Customers release RFQ and order requirements through Kenji's sales network and PCB partner and e-commerce platform. IPCB CAM software automatically audits, quotes, and connects to factory for production. In the inner layer circuit etching process, automatic vacuum etching machines are used to perfectly ensure the density, precision, and thickness of trace and copper. Through the connection of AOI, the browning production line, and the lamination of multi-layer boards, the perfect fusion and curing of PP end and core are completed according to the lamination structure process under the high temperature and pressure in the hot pressing furnace. A mass drilling operation is quickly completed by high-precision CNC drilling machine in a short time. Copper plating plus VCP plating process effectively ensure the uniformity and thickness of copper plating, better ensure the excellent electrical performance of products. The film pattern is transferred into the dry film by physical exposure according to the engineering requirements with automatic connection film and LDI equipment, forming the circuit diagram of accurate data. The extensive application of automated robots has greatly improved production efficiency. AOI inspection equipment is used to automatically scan board, collect images based on optical principles. Then we analyze data to check PCB defects to effectively improve the yield. Through automatic 3-machine printing, the ink will be evenly printed to the production board, greatly improve the production efficiency, and the use of semi-automatic CCD exposure machine to improve the alignment accuracy. Silk screen and logo is perfectly made by automatic screen printing equipment. We provide immersion gold, immersion silver, immersion tin, HASL, OSP, plated golden, and other more surface treatment selections. Each of our products has 100% strict electrical tests. Pads, solder mask, silk screen, and appearance of products will be tested and optimized by AVI testing machine. To make sure product stability and accuracy, verifier will be used in manufacturing process. Kenji is committed to improving service, meeting individual requirements of customers, delivering products into all parts of the world through a flexible and convenient logistics network. As a brand global PCB supplier, we always adhere to the concept of environmental friendly and low carbon operation. This is Kenji.